You know, I'm on my way to a networking meeting in a parking garage in downtown St. Paul. And I don't know about you, but I hate networking meetings. Oh, they're like the bane of my existence. And it's not because, you know, they're a necessary evil, really. I mean, going to wedding vendor networking meetings are a necessary evil. People need to see you. If you want to be recommended, they should understand what you do. Problem is that you have to go through the elevator speech. Hi, my name is, and this is what I do. Nobody's really there to connect with anybody. And networking is supposed to be about connection, right? The thing that we are supposed to be doing is connecting with people in such a way that they like us and they want to be a part of what we do and tell people about what we do. Yet we just throw facts at them and do a commercial. And people do that to me all the time. I mean, it takes me forever to get past their little commercial to find out who they really are, because everybody can do a commercial. Everybody. So what I try to do is spend time connecting, which means I want to know about them. I want them to tell me about them. The more I get to know them, the more they like me, the more I like them, and the chances are they're going to want to actually recommend me and what I do. That's what networking is supposed to be about, right? Well, when was the last time you did that? When was the last time you went to a networking event and didn't do a commercial? Just spent the time to get to know the people around you so they could get to know you. Make them feel comfortable, make them feel like that you like them and that they might like you. That's what real powerful networking is. Even though I know every networking person will tell you better have that 15-second elevator speech. I don't have one yet. And maybe because I don't have mine is the reason why I don't like networking. And I do it the way I do it. It works for me though. I'm Bill Herman. This is Creative License, and thanks again for checking in.